Good morning, students. Let us discuss more on this topic. Our chapter number 4, sorting materials into groups. In the last video, we have discussed about the properties of material. And the first property we have discussed, that is appearance. And I have given some task also. I hope that all of you have done it. In this video, we will discuss the next property, and which is important, that is hardness. And I think all of you have listened this word hardness. What is hardness? If we press a piece of iron nail with our hands, we will find that it cannot be compressed at all. If you want to press it, but you cannot press it. Why? You think that we cannot press it because it is made up of metal, it is hard. One word coming into our mind, it is hard. Because that it is hard, we cannot compress it. So that is the property. That is the second property that we have to discuss. A piece of iron cannot be cut, scratched and bent easily. So it is hard material. You can also think about the soft material. It means clearly opposite to these things. It means the piece of material which can be cut, can be scratched. So these materials can be considered as a soft material. All you have examples also that in your mind that what is soft materials. Let us discuss about that. If you press a piece of sponge between our hands, we will find that it can be easily compressed into smaller size. If you compress more and more, okay, it becomes smaller and smaller. It can also be bent, scratched and cut easily. So we can say that sponge is a soft material. So by discussing that, we can finalize these two things, two materials, which one is hard materials, second is soft materials. Let us discuss these definitions. One is hard materials, the material which cannot be scratched and compressed are called hard materials, and soft materials are what? The materials which can be scratched and compressed are called soft materials. So mainly in this property we will have two categories. One is hard materials and another is its opposite, which is soft materials. And it's very easy. In this, by watching this video, you will also have to do one task, that you need to list out 10 objects of hard materials and soft materials. Like 10 objects which are made up of hard materials, like iron nail, etc., etc. And 10 objects are made up of soft materials. You have to do this task. In this video, we have discussed about the property, that is hardness, and we have also discussed about some examples of some materials are hard, some materials are soft. Also, you need to learn the definition of hard materials and soft materials. If you want to get referred on more on these topics, you can refer to the sites I have shown in the slide. Diksha App YouTube channel, okay, Learning App Extra Marks. Also, you can download NCERT textbook and solution app. You can get more information in this. We will discuss more properties in the next video. Up to that, have a good day. Bye.